I'm Nicola Hume. I've just finished my first ever Dakar experience and it was amazing. I have met some incredible people. There have been some unbelievable stories too. Have a look at this. Dakar 2024. 8,000 kilometres of Saudi Arabian desert. Bikes, cars, trucks, quads, all taking to the stage for 12 days. The first week got off to a rocky start. Sam Sunderland goes home after a mechanical. 2 wheels, 4 wheels, or 3 if you're Nasser Al-Attiyah. When one decision can turn things upside down, you can always count on a rescue mission. You spent the night under the sand.
It was so nice and romantic.
I would be absolutely terrified. At Aldi, it's one for all and all for one. The 48-hour chrono stage. 600 kilometres of sand dunes in the world's largest uninterrupted desert. There were 1,001 ways to eat dust.
There was a hole in the tank. I started losing oil. I broke the gearbox, so I had to call the chopper.
Well, you've earned a well-deserved rest tonight. For some, the journey ended here.
Small kick, very small. Part of game of Dakar.
While others had to get creative. Javi Vega used a coin to replace an oil cap.
I put the real here.
It fits so perfectly! You never let that coin go.
At 6:20, the first rider is gonna leave.
Week 2 took no prisoners.
I feel sorry and disappointed.
So when you cross that finish line, it was all worth it. Carlos Sainz makes history in the ultimate with the Audi RSQ e-tron. Rookie Tobias Ebster takes home Malimoto at his first ever Dakar. Cristina Gutierrez wins the Challenger and becomes the second woman to win the Dakar. A Citroën 2CV finishes the Dakar for the first time after 14 previous attempts.